Welcome to the Maths Studios. So like, subscribe and press the bell icon for more notifications. Happy learning! So in this video we are going to learn how to plot real numbers on a number line, and let's recall what are real numbers. They are a combination of rational and irrational both. So we are going to plot the numbers. Let's first bring the number line, and on the number line we have integers, positive integers and negative integers. So on my right hand side are all positive integers and on the left hand side are all negative integers. So now let's see which questions do we have to, which numbers are we going to plot on this number line. So the question is here, I have these numbers to be plot on the number line. The first one is minus 3.6. So when I'm going to plot this number minus 3.6, the very first thing that I need to look over here is that 3.6 can lie between which two numbers. 3.6 will be coming between 3, minus 3 and minus 4. Alright, so first I need to identify that it's a number in between minus 3 and minus 4. So now very easily let me highlight minus 3 and minus 4 with the help of the highlighter. After highlighting these two integers, I'm going to find the middle point. Now what is the middle point in between minus 3 and minus 4? The middle point is 3.5, minus 3.5. So first you have to identify what is the midpoint between these two negative integers. It's 3.5, minus 3.5. So minus 3.6 would be lying somewhere after 3.5 and 4, because 3.5 is the center. So whenever you are plotting the numbers, right, you need to first of all identify what is the center between those 2 points. After identifying the center, then you can see 3.6 will be nearer to minus 3 or 4. So with just an estimation, you have to mark where minus 3.6 will fall. So basically it's a guesswork also, because as you can see there are no lines in between this minus 3 and minus 4. So it's going to be basically a guesswork. So this is now minus 3.6 lying over here. Alright, so let's now move on to the next number. The next number is 5. Now since 5 has no sign with it, we will assume that there is a positive sign with the number. So this is very easy to find on the number line. As we can see on the right hand side are all positive integers. So plus 5 is going to be plotted like this with the help of the arrow. My next number is minus 0.8. Again, this is a negative number, right? So let me see between which two integers is it going to fall. It is going to fall between 0 and minus 1. So first of all, I will highlight these 2 points on the number line, 0 and minus 1. After highlighting these points, I am going to find the center, the middle point, since it is very important. So first of all, let me see where is 0.5, because between 0 and minus 1 it is going to be 0.5, which is the center, 0.5. So this is basically negative 0.5. Now this is minus 0.8. So I need to see that minus 0.8 is going to be between minus 1 and 0.5. So more towards minus 1. So I'm just doing again an estimation, and I'm going to mark it near minus 1. So this is going to be minus 0.8, and it's going to be marked near minus 1. That's great. All right. Now My next integer is a 0. Very easily I'm going to put an arrow and mark 0 on my number line. Then we have the next number, which is positive 3.5. Again, because it has no sign with it, so I'm going to assume that this is positive. So 3.5 will come between 3 and 4 somewhere. Alright, so I need to identify the two ending points. The two ending points are 3 and 4. So again, first of all, I'm going to find the middle point between 3 and 4. And the middle point is 3.5. And so this is also the middle point. Excellent. So minus 3 plus 3.5 is going to be my center as well, and this is the answer as well. Alright, so after plotting 3.5, I'm going to see where would 1.4 fall. Again, this is positive, and 1 and 4 comes between which two ending points? It comes between 1 and 2. So again, I'm going to plot this between 1 and 2. The center is 1.5. So I'm going to make it more towards 1. So this is all in estimation 1. Now the last is a fraction number. 4 whole 1 upon 4. The very first thing I need to do with this mixed number of fraction is I need to convert that into an improper fraction. 4 times is 16 plus 1 is 17. So the improper fraction is going to be 17 upon 4 or 17/4. Now I'm going to divide this, and I hope you know how to divide it. In my previous videos I have explained how to do the division. So let's divide it, 17 inside and 4 outside. Alright, I'm gonna do a short division over here, so it's going to be somewhat like 4 times is 16, 1 is left, and then 4 2 times is 8, and then 4 5 times is 20. So the answer is going to be 4.25. After converting my mixed fraction into improper fraction, I will convert the improper fraction into a decimal number. So after converting into a decimal number, the answer is 4.25, and now I'm placing this 4.25 more towards 4 because my middle point is 4.5. After identifying the midpoint 4.5 and 4, in between these two you will find 4.25. So this is how you are going to plot real numbers on the number line, 4.25, and please do give your comments in the comment box.